Hello there. Welcome to RPGuru Tech Talk. My name is Renu Prasad. Recently, when I started using Google Maps, it was not giving me the street names I need to take the turn or exit for. It would just say, take the exit at 600 meters. It wouldn't say where it is. So I wouldn't realize where should I take the turn or exit. So in this video, I will show you how to fix that. Let's take a look. Open Google Maps and then go to your account and then scroll down to go to settings and then scroll down to find navigation settings. Click on navigation settings. You'll see the voice selection there. Click on that. Currently it's English US. When you click on that, you will see the list of options available, and the one that you need to select is the default English, which says speaks street names. So select that, and once you're done and save it, you're all set to have Google Maps tell you the street names when it's taking the exits and stuff like that. Hope this helps. Thank you.